This is an industrial grade diamond. That means it's a mined diamond, but it's not of gem quality. So we're not gonna find it in Donnie's earrings.
Don't be stupid!
Anyway, what a diamond does is it dresses your grinding wheel so you can have an accurate wheel to make accurate parts.
But it's so important that without it, planes won't fly, cars won't drive.
So what defines a multi-point diamond dresser is 2 or more diamonds enveloped in a metal matrix. Compared to a single point dresser, a multi-point diamond dresser spreads the load out across the surface as you're dressing your wheel. Some of the applications for a multi-point diamond dresser is dressing thicker and wider wheels because the surface is able to withstand the forces of your dressing. Single point diamonds are good for dressing in angles and radiuses. Right here we have a single point diamond, and the other side we can get it in different geometries such as the chisel tip. Single point diamonds have an advantage because they're cheap, readily available, and they give good finishes. The drawback to single point diamonds is that they don't last as long. So it's important to keep that in mind when you're using single points, because even though the advantages is that they're cheap, they also tend to go bad a lot faster than some of these other dressing tools.
Hey y'all, don't forget to create a profile on CNCEXPERT.com. There you can upload your own personal projects, engage with other machinists just like you, but most importantly, you can get certified so you can get hired. There's no other platform like it online because it was created for machinists by machinists. Keep scrubbing.
So a single point dresser is one diamond that's on a stationary tool post. What makes a rotary dresser, there are diamonds along the outside diameter of the profile. What this does is it rotates almost like a circular saw, and it rotates against the wheel and it dresses the wheel to your desired geometry. What makes the rotary dresser more beneficial is that it's stouter and it has a longer life than a single point dresser. Some of the pros and cons between a single point dresser and a rotary dresser: the pros of a rotary dresser is that it's gonna last longer and it's for mass production. The con is that the rotary dresser is gonna be more expensive, but the rotary dresser also offers a variety of different geometries to fit your grinding needs. Along with the angle geometry, you can also get custom radiuses built into the rotary dressers. So as you can see, this radius is a lot smaller than this fat one. This smaller radius is more for fine detail work, whereas this bigger radius is more for hogging off material of your grinding wheel. So the diamonds we've talked about in this series are mainly used for dressing aluminum oxide wheels such as this Tyrolit 80 grit wheel. The diamonds we covered are single point diamonds, rotary disc diamonds, and multi-point diamonds. If you want to see what other kind of wheels we got, make sure you check out our store at titansofcnctooling.com. All right guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and ring that notification bell for more Titans of CNC content. They should have gave me a booster seat with this chair. Too short for it. Can't even grow a mustache, but at least I got a sweet chair. It's pretty sick. I got 3 screens, Solitaire on one, Tetris on the other, CNC Expert on the last one. Boom, baby. You want next?